Just 25 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip sits one of the most unexpected places in Nevada, a European-inspired waterfront village built around a 320-acre lake. Right behind me is the village of Lake Las Vegas, and this is the heart of the community. Las Vegas does an amazing job of advertising the Strip, but did you know we had a peaceful lakeside destination designed as a Mediterranean escape in the middle of the desert? This is where the communities love to enjoy on the weekends. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, come down here around 2 p.m. You'll see tons of people where you enjoy the restaurants, bars, and it's designed like a European waterfront town. Lake Las Vegas was originally developed in the 1990s as a luxury resort community built around a man-made lake created from the Las Vegas Wash. Developers envisioned a destination that would feel completely different from the energy of the Strip, a place centered around relaxation, scenery, and waterfront living. Over the years, Las Vegas has hosted major events. And you remember the Super Bowl was once hosted here. And this is where the players stayed, here at the Hilton. This is a popular place for quinceañeras, photography, and much more. This is where people take their pictures. You have a nice waterfall, backdrop of the lake, and it's across from my favorite restaurant inside the village, and that is Sonrisa Grill. Now this is where the daily life happens. You have a lot of the restaurants and coffee shops right here along the Marina. It's so many things for you to do here. You can either enjoy nice walks, take a walk along the waterfront, or you can even take part in some water sports. You have boating for day rentals, you have kayaking, paddle boarding. This is just the beginning. As more people catch on to this area, it's just gonna get better, better, and better. Now I have to stop and show you some prime real estate. So those of you that want to bring businesses across from the lake where you have the nice concert section, this might be the one for you. You can use all this entertainment space so you can overlook the lake and watch live performances. We have to make this place alive. Many people that live in Lake Las Vegas enjoy it for the peace that it brings. It feels like a resort town. Instead of feeling like the Strip, and since with all the growth you see in Las Vegas and Henderson, this gives you a little more peace and quiet, giving you a smaller town feel while still next to all the chaos. This area is pretty interesting. This is the pub, speakeasy, the casino that just in a matter of time will be reopened eventually with all the growth that's coming to Lake Las Vegas. You have a ton of scenic views in the entire area. Condos up for sale, placed right above, giving you direct access to the village. Tons of quinceañeras happen here behind me. I see so many photographers take pictures here. I even took some headshots here if you've been following me long enough. What I love most about the area, it just feels so different than any part of the entire city. The village is just the beginning. Tune in next episode as we tour North Shore, where some of the most modern homes in Lake Las Vegas are being built. And remember, there's no tour like a snow tour. And I'll see you next time. Oh, I didn't know you was recording. My bad, my bad. Oh, my bad, my bad. Let me get some bloopers in then. All right, start it back over, and then we'll be good. So this is where the center of life happens. Down here at the marina, it's basically our lake. We have the water sports where we can. Very nice, very nice, man.
What do you do?
Real estate too.
Wait, who? What? Who are you?
I'm a co-op banker. I'm Antonio Snow. You probably see me online. I do like the
Calm
sock
down.
checks.
Maybe you're OnlyFans. Antonio Snow?
Yeah,
Nice to
Antonio
meet you,
Snow.
man. Selling blue heron on the water? What are you
Not
trying to
blue
sell?
heron, but I do sell. I sell quite a bit.
Las Vegas?
Yeah. I live in Las Vegas.
Oh, you
so-
do?
Yeah,
Okay,
so I'm doing
okay.
a segment here.
Yeah. We're literally just sold one in Dulcedo.
Got you. That's good.
Antonio Snow.
Yep. Yeah. like, they don't know. Oh, well, I didn't finish.